This is my real stash. Over 200 envelopes I've saved for over 4 years. And today, these become a journal spine.
Museful Creations, come and see. Crafted with joy soulfully.
Hey, crafty friends, welcome back to Museful Creations. This is part 2 of our December daily, and today I'm showing you how I turned junk mail and a recycle hanging folder into a refillable journal spine. Super wicked beginner friendly, vintage, and incredibly useful. A tip to consider is using fabric washi tape, if you will, a fabric tape of choice, and reinforcing kind of like the fold on the inner parts of the left and right spine. Each signature is made from envelopes, and I punched, as you saw, 3 holes to match the spine. After threading them through the ribbon rows, the signatures sit securely but can still be removed later. And just like that, using junk mail, hanging folder, items you already have, you get this beautiful vintage refillable journal spine, perfect for December daily and honestly for any junk journal all year long. Thank you so much for being here. If today's idea sparked something for you, like, subscribe, and share. And I can't wait to show you the full journal See you then.